drag a copy, Control Shift D, up 1.65, that's 1.5 to the width. Remember, this is not an architectural class, so but our building is functional. I love when my building has different shapes like this. I don't like a square building, it's not beautiful, so it's okay. Let's move on. I need to give this guy an entry, so I'll go back to doors. Our empty doors deactivated, so I'll give him a width of 2 meters or even 2.5. If you prefer, or if you wish, you can drag a copy of this here and here. You might like to step this if you wish. Okay, from here you go in directly, you come here, you get into the kitchen. So I'm going to give another empty door here. I'll make it 1.3. Control D. Now take it off the wall. I'll cut this and I'm okay. I'll continue putting my windows. Firstly, I'll drag this window upward. I'll drag a copy of this window so that we can have enough ventilation, or rather I can reduce the sizes from 1.2 to 1.2 and I just let it be 1 meters each. Okay, here I'll give this window I'm going to reduce this toilet window to a width of 0.7. I'm going to say 0.7. I'm going to put the ceiling story to 1.4. I'll inject this and I'll put same in the masters. So I'll put it this way. To this small lobby, I'll give it a small door here coming in. So that once you leave here, you come this way, then you get into your room. Let's take a look on 3D. This is what we currently have. So let's continue. The next thing we are going to do after putting our windows is we are going to put our slab. Once I click to slab, I'll go to the setting dialog. Same procedure with wall. Once you can't edit this thickness of your slab, you click here, and then I'll put mine to 15. Starting point 0, it's okay. I'll put on my override surfaces. To the top, I'll put a tile. Front side, I'll put marble. Bottom side is not so important, so I'll just put earth or any material, since we ain't going to see nothing down. Let me say pavement moss. Now say okay. I'll start by putting my. Now when you pick your slab and it's going this way, you need to change it here. You click here, and then you have a single style to work with. I'll drag, but now I can't find somewhere to stop here. If I can't find somewhere to stop here, I'll hold the shift key while dragging. I'll hold the shift key, and then I'll bring my cursor down here. Since I have a point here that I can rely on, I'll click here, but it clicks here. This is where it inserts the knot. I'll click here, and finally we're there. Let's look at what we have. So that's our front, the front side of our house. That's it. Okay, we go back. We need to step this veranda, so I'm going to take Ctrl Shift D after highlighting my slab. Now go out. I'll just see 1. Remember, this is a copy. After dragging this copy, I'm going to take Ctrl D back 1 by 1. It's at the same level, so I'm going to change this level. I'm going to say negative 0.15 because we need something below that. Next thing I'm going to do, because I want to insert a step here, I'm going to click here, somewhere here, using this one, which is on. I'll click here, or if I wish, I'll click here. So I'll click here and I'll drag this. I can take offset edge, I can take 0.4, and I'll do same here, 0.4. Those are my focal points which I want to use. So if I click here, I'll take this, so I can insert a knot here. I'll do same here. I'll take this and I'll take offset 0.35, 0.35. That's okay. Let's see what we have on 3D. That's it. That's our new level. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put rail, handrail. So we go to object, we type rail. We can choose any of those rails. So I'm going to choose this